Hello all of my friends, welcome to my Solve Your Problem channel. Hello my friend, today I can teach you how to convert from PDF to Word. If you see this video, I am sure you can do easily convert from PDF file to Word. Okay, let's start now. Okay my friend, at first of all I have already PDF file. I can open this PDF file. You can see this is a PDF file article, one article have, and now I can this PDF file to convert to Word. How I can do this? Just follow my step, and I am sure you can also do this. Just see this video. Okay my friend, let's to the get to the pain point. First, you need to go www.pdfonline.com. Here is the place you can easily to do freely PDF to Word file convert easily. Okay, how can you can do this? Just click PDF to Word file, then wait a second, wait a few seconds. Now you can upload your file as like me. Upload my file here, and I can select the my PDF file, then open. This is an easy process. You just upload your PDF file and wait few seconds. If your PDF file is very more document, I mean too much megabyte, you should to upload it little bit more time. My PDF file is a simple PDF file that does not need to more time. Here you see, here is my PDF file. Okay, here is my PDF file. Now I can download. Here you see your document is ready. Convert to PDF file. Okay, I can convert PDF file. I can click the convert to PDF file to Word file. Wait a few seconds. I'm sorry to say, I think I clicked the wrong place. I can upload again here. Then select the PDF file. You can hear processing. My document is processing to upload. Okay, my document is ready, and now I need to just download. Downloading converted file. Here you see download Word file. Click just this link. I can get my the new converted PDF to Word file. Here you see My download is running. Here you see my download is complete. Now I can open this file. Here you see this is my Word file. You can see my Microsoft Office is open. Here is the my PDF file now is still converted to Word file. This is an easy process. If you see this video, I am sure you can do this. If you don't know how to do this, you can back again see this video step by step. It is very simple video. If my video is very useful to you or helpful to you, please subscribe my channel and watch my some other video because my just see this my channel name solve your problem. That's mean I can upload man's people problem while you can lots of people are want to search want to do this how to convert video to Word file and so many more queries I can solve my channel in this way. Okay my friend, thank you so much. Bye.